Awesome, we're going to quickly take you through the fire spin movement. For this, you want to have your arm up with your elbow pointing out, and place the mace across the shoulder for what could be called a shoulder bar or a shoulder rack. So it'll look something similar to this going across the shoulder. Then we want our free hand to be placed underneath the mace between your elbow joint and the mace. The challenge here is we're going to push and rotate the mace at the same time. So let me show you one. We push up, rotate the hands, we end up in a high position. Now for that, what we want to do is flick the hands apart. So like a scissor, we flick the hands. And at the same time, you're going to push the mace up. So on the shoulder bar, hand underneath. You have to do this quickly and confidently. We can do a little bit of a pop with the knees. So pop with the knees and flick, scissor the hands. So up, scissor, the mace will rotate and we can catch in a downward thumb grip. Now the width that you catch is up to you because it all depends on the next movement that you're going to be doing in your flow. Have fun with that. Let's see that style.